welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm unboxing a Wish package, a polygel named Coscelia. Here we got a 36 watts UV lamp. A little damaged, but it should work. Got ourselves a base coat and top coat, our 50-piece nail mold tips, these cute nail separators, nail brush. The one I received is really miniature. As you can see, the one on my right hand is my own. The cable, of course, to the UV lamp. I also received a damp dish, which I wanted this kind of dish. One nail clipper. Got ourselves some nail stickers. We got ourselves a nail file, 100, 180. The main thing here is the nail brush. This is a two-sided. This side, of course, is the brush. Really nice quality brush. And the other side, of course, to apply the polygel to the mold tips. We got a sanding tool. Wanted to make sure that the lettering was actually on the tool and not just on the wrapper. Actually a really cool feature. Apparently the wrapping didn't want to get away from my hand, but like I was saying, this is actually a really cool feature that this sanding tool comes with steps. Here we got really cool French tip guides. I've actually never used this before. I find them pretty useful. Here we have two little booklets full of instructions. Getting to the good stuff. Here we have our nail liquid, which is the slip solution. It's 30 milliliters. We got 4 polygel colors. Here we got what looks like to be a 6. And the color for number 6 is white. Got in number 8. I didn't really read each bottle except for this one, and it says to keep or to seal the cap tightly, I guess so the polygel doesn't dry. But for number 8, it appears to be a clear pink. too, and it is a light pink color. Really cute. Here we got number 3, and I think this one's my favorite. It's a dark pink color. Honestly, for all this kit, it came out to be around $23. I actually picked it up at a local store around my neighborhood, and honestly, I hope it works. Hopefully, you guys will see a video next week if it works or if it doesn't. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I said, stay tuned for next week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you.